It's Duro Music.
Prime time, please. I be fucking with the club, but if I can't smoke it, I ain't fucking with the club. Somebody better tell them they ain't fucking with a scrub. When you see a real nigga, show a real
Damn,
nigga
son,
love.
where'd you
All
find
I do
this?
is hustle. Got money in my duffel. How the fuck did I get Gucci symbols on my buckle? They legalize weed and there won't ever be a scuffle. If everybody smoking weed, won't nobody tussle. So me, I'm steady smoking, smoking like I'm smoking. I don't give a fuck, that's why I'm smoking in the open. I got lil' mama scoping and I think that bitch a wine. I done pulled a line in my 20 ounce of wine. Bitches steady eyeing, haters looking at me. All this ballin' I be doing, I should win an ESPY. The mama think I'm sexy, she say she wanna sex me, but she ain't never met me. But tell her she can kiss me.
VIP is where you find me at. Higher than the seats on my private jet. Four-door Lambo, I'm buying that. I'm mad cause some bitches ain't designed it yet. Smoking on loud, tell them bitches be quiet. If a nigga keep hating, he gon' make me start a ride. Could've bought a house, but I spent it on a ride. And if I get any higher, I'ma really start flying. Tell me what you know about that Taylor gang shit. We be poppin' champagne just to pour it on a bitch. Lead a club with a girl I ain't never gon' forget. She slop on my knob, but she don't spit. Get trippin' as I wanna with my niggas out in Dallas. Look at Juicy J, he ballin' like the Mavericks. Me and all my niggas and a bunch of automatics. If a nigga run up on me, I'ma let that nigga